Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another 31 days of Halloween. Hi! Today's video is sponsored by LG. I have the brand new LG dual screen phone right here and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. I'm going to show you the research that I did and how I got inspired to create this look right here and how I did it with this amazing device right here. So we're going to do a little of that first and then we are going to jump into the video. I'm going to show you how I created this look. Before we do that and before I show you how awesome this is, what would you guys do with two screens? If you had a phone with two screens, what would you do? How productive would you be? How amazing would you be at multitasking? What would you do with two screens? Comment below. Okay guys, so here's my LG dual screen smartphone. I'm gonna open it up and there are two different screens. And when I go unlock it, now that you guys know my password. So this is the look right here that I was inspired by. I love how she created her Ouija board makeup. I'm just gonna tap right here and I'm gonna move this over to my other screen and I did take some pictures of this look. So literally simultaneously at the same time, I can look for inspiration for my Ouija board makeup. I can also take a look at how awesome this look is right here. So I can also watch YouTube at the same time and I can actually flip my screens so that I can watch this YouTube video at the same time as searching for some more inspiration. And when I am done with the YouTube video, I can just flip my screen to just Google right here, or I can flip it back to then close it and continue on with my makeup. So thank you again so much to LG for sponsoring this video. And if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, we're starting off with a bare face. Well, not bare face, I have makeup on. Just wanted to speed up that process for you and I have just a base, brows on, and powder. We're going to jump into the nude palette from Huda Beauty and I'm going to be using a couple of shades to really give just this amazing smoky eye. I loved the way that it came out. Super purpley, super pink, and then I just used the black shadow from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and we're just going to tap that right onto our lids and then we're going to blend it out and then blend everything together, blend it out, all the above, just a classic smoky eye. And then we did a little bit later blend it like super out so that it is much more of a like vampy smoky eye. I'm then going to go ahead with some liner and I'm going to tight line my eyes and also line the top lashes and then pop on some mascara. For lashes, I'm using the new Carity false lashes and I'm just going to pop those on my eyeballs. And then we're going to move on to some more liquid liner and I'm just creating these kind of like black scary veins, if you would call them, I guess. And I'm just putting those underneath my eyes and I'm gonna do that again later on my forehead and also under my lips, which you'll see a little bit later on in the video. I'm then going to take the exact same pinks and purples that I used on my eyes and I'm going to use that to contour and color my entire face. And I did add a little bit of black after I drew the sun and the moon on both sides. I wanted to do something a little bit different. I didn't want to like copy everything that's basically out there for a Ouija board makeup. So I then used a little stamp, tattoo stamp from Milk Makeup to put a little star right next to the moon. And then I'm going to just use a Tarte liquid liner to write yes and no under both of my eyes. I had to do this backwards. It was difficult. It really wasn't that difficult, but it was difficult. And then for the lips, I'm going to use a black eyeliner to line my lips and then this Buxom Plump Line lip liner in the inner corner or like in the center of my lips. And then I'm going to dab a little bit of eyeshadow and glitter from the nude palette right on top. And then I just added more of those black veins underneath the lips and on my forehead. Just made it look super duper creepy. once I'm done adding all of those black veins to my lips and to my forehead, I'm gonna add a couple to my neck as well. So just both of the sides where I kind of contoured with that pink. And then I am going to show you guys the picture on my LG dual screen smartphone. This is the picture that I was really inspired by, and I'm just gonna copy her little Ouija board like piece, I guess you would call it, and I'm putting that right on the center of my neck. I'm just gonna draw it and add a little bit of shading, and then of course I'm gonna add the Ouija name on it, and I actually had to do this backwards as well. Just keep that in mind. It looks forward on camera, but it is backwards if you write it like forward in person. It's so weird. It freaks me out actually how confusing it is. I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter, and then this is the final look. Alright guys, that's it for this makeup look right here. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, comment down below what you would do with 2 screens. And as always, subscribe to me and check out all my other Halloween videos. And that's all I have for today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.